I'm Hamid from bourse.best.invest group. I'm very glad to be with you in this education course, Forex education course, and we want to learn and speak about Forex. In the word Forex is formed from the term foreign exchange, which means exchange of foreign currency. In fact, in this market you can trade different type of foreign currency and buying and selling goods, services of companies and some famous index stocks in America and some share stock of American market similar to Nasdaq and New York. In the Forex market, as I mentioned, foreign currency are traded relative to each other. Each of which is called a currency pairs. For example, British pound against the US dollar, which is displayed with the abbreviation of GBP USD. What factor of affecting in determine rate in the Forex market? Different kind of factor is very effective in Forex market, similar the monetary and banking statement of country and determination of the bank interest rate and the growth of the country production, the unemployment rates and employment generation. Some political factor is very important in this market. For example, war, sanction, and some events. At the other hand, some comments of presidents and some of the famous people, for example, similar to Elon Musk, it can be effective in this market, especially in cryptocurrency market. If you want to learn and know about foreign exchange or Forex, you must know and have information about CFD trading. In the old days, transactions were done in traditional way. In such way that an agreement was made between two parties and then the amount was paid at the spot rate and the goods were delivered to the buyer in return. Later, futures trading was added to the market, which itself was a type of CFD trading. Thus, market change and new method for trading appear in the world. In this type of transaction, you could trade a value or commodity on a specific maturity date and at agreed price rate. Suppose seller sells 10 gold coins for delivery 6 months from now at a price of 500 per coins, while the price of the coins increase at the time of maturity and the price of each coin reaches $510. Now the price of the coins become more expensive, $10 since the signing of the contract. So on the due date, the seller must buy 10 gold coins at the price of $510 and deliver them to the buyer. Or he must pay buyer $10 for each coins. Note that here the seller loses but the buyer gains, because the buyer has a contract to take delivery of each coins for $500 on the due date. An important point that can be pointed out in contract for difference or CFD transaction is that this type of transaction only the value of the commodity is traded and there is no need for physical ownership in the transaction. In other words, you own the value of goods, not goods themselves. Another point of CFD trading is that since you don't own anything and only trade value, you can even sell something you don't own and profit from its price drop. This question that is not understood by many people and its explanation may seem a bit complicated, but with a simple example we will clarify this issue for you. Suppose you have a Toyota car that you had already bought for $6,000. Now you think its price will drop soon. At this moment you can sell your Toyota in the market and buy the same Toyota again when its price drop to $5,000. After that you have a profit about $1,000. At the other hand, if I want to show you some website, it's very useful and important in Forex market. For example, at the first I want to say some good factor, some good point about Forex market. At all, you can trade in a 24 hours in this market. For example, one of the useful website for Forex market is Forex market hours. I explanation it for you and show to you. It's you can change this part of that to everywhere you live and use it and set your time for trade. At the other hand, the other important website for Forex market is market24thclock.com. You can see what market is open now and what market is closed now, because we are in Sunday now and every market in everywhere is closed in Sunday and Saturday. Forex market in holiday, and tomorrow in Monday it's open and we can have a trade in it. The other website I want to propose you is Forex Factory. It's depend of news and you can use it for monitoring some news about market. Now I have a problem in my internet. We must wait to show it to you. The other platform is very important for you. It's TradingView. You can see it in this background. Let me show you. Yes, you can see TradingView and you can choose your pair currency in this part and you can see chart. You You can have a technical analysis before you buy and sell some pair currency. We must wait to complete this. As I say you, Forex Factory is the other site. You can see it and you can monitoring some important news for buy and sell some currency. If I want to say some point about crypto Forex market, I want to see some important statistical parameter about that. Forex market had a daily turnover of $7.5 trillion in April 2022, up from $6.6 trillion in 2019. The other important factor about Forex market, the Forex market is still 3 times the size of the US stock and bond markets combined. As I say, Forex is only financial market in the world to operate 24 hours. The Forex market comprises over 170 different currency. The United States dollar is one side of 88% of all Forex trade. And the most favorite currency is US. At the other hand, 7 currency pairs, I say it's in the forward, make up 85% of the Forex market, as you see in this picture. Forex market 30 times size of the stock. London is the largest financial center. At the other hand, you can see the most traded currency pairs in 2022. United States dollar vs euro is the biggest market cap in Forex. And after that you can see Japanese yen and Great British pound, Chinese yuan, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar. At the other hand, 170 currency pairs exist in Forex. The US is on one side of 88% of all Forex trades. The euro is on 30% of transaction. After that, Japanese with 17%. And in the 4th rank, Chinese yuan in 7%. It's some point about that. If you see UP from 4.3% in 2019, and it will be provided in the future. World largest Forex brokers, I see markets at the first rank. After that, Forex.com, and the other. How do people try into 2022? 55% use a mobile device, 45% use a desktop computer, and we have 10 million traders around the world. Which countries trade Forex the most in 2022? United Kingdom in the first rank with 38%. After that, United States with 19%. After that, Singapore 9%, up from 8% in 2019. And after that, Hong Kong down from 8%, and Japan 4% down from 5%. Forex trader demographic in 2022. It's about gender, 89% men and 11% women. It's fantastic. Fascinating point about that is a woman has increased in 2022 to from 10% to 11%. At the other hand, the most important factor we must to pay attention to, because young people now have a lot of patience to this market. We have they were about 5% in 2019 to 27%. It's very important. We must think about that, because new age people and young people think about this factor, and the future they spend more time and money in this market. Countries with most traders, Australia in 2021, over 100,000 Australians executed one or more Forex or CFD transaction. After that, Germany with 84,000, and in a third rank, Poland with 80,000 trader. At the other hand, we have a good growth in Australian traders. There was about 61,000 in 2017, and they be 170,000 in 2020, and the Australian people very like this market. Some platform, MetaTrader 4 is the most favorite platform for buy and sell in Forex market, and TradingView is a most favorite platform for analyzes this market. It's about 8 million trader use MetaTrader 4. At all, we are very glad to be with you, and I hope in the future we have a good education course in Forex with each other, and I'm here to help you. But at all, I'm not perfect in English, but I try to be better than now in the future. Have a good time, have a good dream. You must try. We can do everything we want.